Welcome to the technical analysis of the Nigerian stock market. This is market formula, and all that we discuss on this channel is to look at the opportunities in the Nigerian capital market. If you are new to this channel, make sure to like this video and turn on the notification by hitting the bell icon, and make sure to also subscribe to this channel because there is a lot that we do on this channel, especially as concerning the Nigerian stock market. We all know that the Nigerian stock market is bullish right now, and there is a lot of opportunities for new and existing traders to make huge return this year 2025. I welcome you. So by starting, let's start from looking at the all share index of the Nigerian stock market. Before I do that, there is a program coming up this weekend. Is a financial compass. This is a program we do every year. We gather investors together, we discuss strategy and discuss opportunity in the new year. We will be discussing stock market, discussing forex market. We also discuss crypto market, manufacturing, and a lot. If you are in Lagos, make sure you attend physically. But if you cannot make it physically to the event, you can also join online. I've put a link to the uh, registration form so that you can register. You need to register before you can attend this event because we have limited space to accommodate people, and we also need to plan so that we can make provision for those that are coming. Okay, the whole share index of the Nigerian stock market last week lost. Last week, the whole share index of the Nigerian stock market lost marginally. Uh, let's look at the weekly chart. But looking at this candlestick that is formed, this is an engulfing. It's an engulfing at a previous resistance. So let's see what will happen this week. This week, hopefully, the market is able to take out these sellers in this bar. So if they are able to take it out, we are projecting that the market is going to hit this zone for another resistance. So until then, we keep watching. But there is a lot of opportunity in the market this week. If you stay till the end, there are two stocks that I will be recommending today: Japan Gold, and we also look at Boa Cement. We talk about the entries and exits where we can actually take our profit. All right. So for the all share index, there is really not much to discuss here. We are still hoping that the market is able to take out the sellers here. If not, then the market price will come back for a retest of this zone. Price is coming back for a retest of this zone, most likely. Then we can have something like this. That's one scenario. And another scenario that can play out is that market will come break here, find support at somewhere around here and continuing to do something like this and go. So that is another scenario that can play out. But until then, we keep watching what will happen at this particular price level. So let's see. Let me quickly run through some of the stocks that we have analyzed before on this chart, on this channel. I look at MTN because we still have MTN running. Trade is running. Today it has lost marginally again. To open today, MTN lost 2.58%. This is the weekly chart. Let's look at the monthly chart. For the monthly chart, you can see that this candle is still forming. So this candle is still forming, but the signal to buy actually happened in this bar. So until market is able to close below this level, this signal is still valid, and we are buying it to this zone, 268 naira. That's the zone we are looking at. But if the market is able to still sell off a bit, for fresh entry, look for MTN around 200 naira, and if you can get it cheaper for around 175 naira, is also good. Anywhere in this zone is good for a good trade. Let me look at it using the Aikenashi candlestick. So for the Aikenachi candlestick, for monthly bar, this is an engulfing. This candle here is an engulfing of this. So this is the candle that gave out the signal. I can actually always lag one candle. So you know when we turned it to candlestick, the signal is already formed here. But when I look at it on I can actually candle, the signal is yet to be formed. This is the candle that is forming the signal. All right. So I can actually will help you filter false trades. Yes, false trade that can happen by you entering the market and the market will just go against you. But if I'm looking at Hikinashi candles, you can see from here is a clear trend from here to here, green, 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 green. We only have few red here and then green, 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 few red here, green, 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 two red bar, one green bar, a fake out. This there are traders trapped here. So some people thought this thing was going up, followed it, and when they followed it, price came against them. So this is the candle that came against them. This candle here that happened in February 2024. So this is the candle that faked them out. So on price is most likely going to test the candle, and this is the candle now. You see that price came to test it and is finding resistance. But me, I'm positive because I know that for the market to form this very big bullish candle and the month is able to close, the month will close next week. So if the month is able to close with this big strong candle, please, in the month of February, just go and buy and notice that their earnings is coming. We don't know what they will bring as earnings, but as a technical analyst, I read the chart. Whatever they bring, I don't know, but I know it's not going to push this thing back. It's not. If the month is able to close above here, the way it's going, whatever they bring cannot take out this big bull again. Because this candle has already taken out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months, 5 months data. You now tell me that one event of maybe earnings, you now say, okay, they recorded loss again. Well, have they not been recording losses? So that is not the point here. But we are trading market sentiment. We are trading the buyers and the sellers in the market. Okay, that is enough for MTN. We still have Ella Lake, running. So what has happened to Ella Lake? These candles, let me go back to my candlestick. All right, this candle is forming rejection in a support. Price came into this support and spiked up. It's coming back there, forming rejection again. So from here to here is actually a range. We are looking at a range. And if the month of February, let's check. If the month of January can close and even form a very small bullish candle, I will be positive looking at maybe the high of 5 naira, 3 naira 53 kobo, or 3 naira 71 kobo. Those are levels where we can take profit in. But members of my community already know we have already entered into this stock. Let me look at it from Hikinachi. Okay, for Hikinachi, the highest bar, Hikinachi bar is this. And what happened? Market has taken out this bullish candle. The next level is here. Until market is able to close on the Hikinachi chart, is able to close below here. Even if it closes below here, we still have this level as a support. So I'm very positive with Ella Lake also. Okay, that is two stocks that we've already analyzed before and is still running that you can still take opportunity of. But the fresh ones that I'm looking at for this week, I'm looking at Japan Gold. Let's check Japan Gold. Okay, for Japan Gold, the highest bullish body for Akinashi is actually this one. Where's the low? The low is here. Price is currently at the low. Let me pull out my RSI. Okay, then I also pull out my awesome oscillator. For my awesome oscillator, this is actually a divergence. It's about to form a divergence. So we need to be careful. Let me go to 3 months. For 3 months chart, the highest body is actually here and the low that caused this is here. So I'm looking at this low for the 3 months chart. For the monthly and the 3 months. So inside this zone, and we still have this zone again for a support. Okay, it's facing down already. Momentum has switched to the negative side. The last time the momentum switched to the negative side is here. So anything around 1 naira 95 kobo, 1 naira 76 kobo. This zone is a buy zone for me in this stock. That's for Japan Gold. Let's look at it using candlestick. For candlestick, you can see that the biggest bullish candle on this, let me switch to 3 months. Biggest bullish candle is here, the body, but look at the highest price. For volatility, we are looking at this one. So when I see a volatile candle like that, I will rather use the body of that volatile candle. So it's actually here. We are looking at this place for a support until market is able to close below here, below here. If I see a red candle that closes below here, then that trade is wrong. That trade is wrong. So we might be looking at another support around here, around 74 core. That's for Japan Gold. All right. You can see for Japan Gold, Bollinger Band has formed. It broke out of the Bollinger Band, came back into the Bollinger Band, and is struggling. So the level we are looking at for support is this zone. For looking at this zone here for support. And it's also, when we want to look at the pivot again, this is the pivot for the 3 years that I'm tracking. Pivot points for Fibonacci tri-yearly. So which is also a confluence of the moving average of this midpoint for Bollinger Band, which is 20 SMA. So 20 SMA is here, is the support. We are looking at pivot also as a support. We are looking at candlestick also, the neckline of this swing for another support. So we see that a lot of supports are happening at this zone. So for Japan Gold, I'm very positive. Let me just go through Boa Cement also. For Boa Cement, okay, for Boa Cement, it's more like catching a falling knife. All right. So, but reason why I'm positive, let's go. Okay, the biggest bullish candle is here. That's the highest candle. The next one is here. Then the next one is actually here. If I'm looking at 3, power of 3, remember, we do power of 3, this place. So market has not closed below that level. If I come to the monthly chart, 1, 2, this is the third one. Market is just closing below the third candle. Let's go to candlestick and see what is happening at that level. And see rejection, first rejection. In fact, it has started forming rejection from here. Second rejection, third rejection, fourth rejection. And you can see from even looking at the left, you see rejection, 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 price spiked up, coming back for a rejection at that level. Look at this previous resistance also. Market touched the resistance, came down, broke the resistance, used it for support, went up, coming back for the same change of polarity that happened here. Previously, it was a resistance and it's now forming a support. So I'm very positive. This is a very good and a very lovely price level. We can pull the trigger. All right. So that's for Boa Cement. Even looking at RSI, momentum has switched to negative side on the monthly. Monthly, we get momentum switched to the negative side. This is a buy for me. This is a buy for me. This is a buy for me. Okay, let's just go to let me go and see what the market is saying. Okay, Boa Cement. What happened to Boa Cement on full offer? On full offer, 9 million on offer. Me, I'm putting my head in full offer because it's a good price for a buy for me. Okay, so that's the way the market is. What other people are not seeing, you need to learn to see it so that you can make the best of the market. All right. So people wants to sell, me, I want to buy. That's when you can buy very cheap. Okay. Let's look at the other stock that we looked at, which is Japan Gold. Japan Gold. What happened? Oh, the buyers are already coming in. You can see this is 64.22% bid, 11 million bid on bid, then 6 million on offer. So you might not be able to get the best price trading this particular one. So anyone you choose to trade can let me know in the comments. All right. See you again in the next video.